The chalk is made out of calcium carbonate. Vinegar has the same pH as acid rain. The vinegar will react to the calcium and dissolve in it. Buildings made from the same, I mean, buildings made from limestone and marble has carbonate. Now I'm gonna start my experiment. I'm gonna cut the piece of chalk in half in the same size. Gonna add water. .25 milliliters. Pour it into the cup. I'm gonna add the vinegar. Putting both pieces of chalk
at the same time.
At the same time, I'm putting this chalk in the water and this chalk in the vinegar. I'm going to leave it in there for 5 minutes. This one looks like it's instantly, both of them kind of bubbling. Not like this one though. This one is sizzling, like it's dissolving more. It's dissolving a lot. Look like it's breaking it down. This one just bubbling.
You can go ahead and write down your observations of what's going on right now in your data chart. There you go.
Just think about something. You didn't have a stopwatch.
So then when you take them out of the cups, you're going to use one spoon for each one of them, take them out at the same time, and put one on
each napkin.
Yep. And then you're going to see how easy it is to break them up. And demonstrate how easy it is to break them up. Also, you're going to measure how much the piece is shrunk. Compare in centimeters the size of each of them.
That's before I break it up, right?
Yeah. Because the one that's in the vinegar should be noticeably smaller. And you can write down what the size of it.
So I measure by centimeters.
Yep. Okay.
Now I'm going to take the chalk out of the water and the vinegar.
Use the other spoon for the vinegar. Yeah.
Now I'm going to measure it. Measure by centimeters, right?
Yeah.
What's that? One what?
1.5 centimeters.
The one that had the water in it was 1.5 centimeters.
And measure the thinnest point of that one.
It's about one.
Okay.
1 centimeter.
All right. Now,
The one that had the vinegar in it is 1 centimeter.
I'll go ahead and see how easy it is to break each of them up.
I'm gonna try to break the one that had the water in it first. That was kind of hard. It was a little easier than that one was. So what do I do next?
Okay, so what would you conclude? Would acid rain damage buildings made from marble and limestone?
Yes, I think that acid rain would damage buildings a lot if it's made from limestone and what was the other one?
Marble.
Limestone and marble.
So now that that vinegar is sat on it a little while, even though you've taken it out of the solution, try crumbling it up some more. Is it even easier?
Yeah. It's a lot easier. You get in the inside of it.
So the damage to the buildings continues even after the acid rain is dried. Were you surprised that Flint tap water did as much to it as it did?
Yeah, it made it sizzle a lot. It made it bubble.
So it might be interesting to do this experiment again with drinking water and see.
That if it's gonna do the same thing.
Yeah. All right. Go ahead and hit stop.
All right.